Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing another fragrance for the holidays. This one is called Cinnamon and Balsam, and it smells pretty much like you would imagine. It's just warm cinnamon with notes of balsam fir. It smells really good. I mean, completely holiday fragrance. Love it. I think it's going to be fantastic in candles in addition to soap. I get a lot of customers asking for more woodsy scents. More like outdoorsy fur fragrances, so I think this one will be really nice. And best of all, this fragrance does not accelerate, it doesn't rise, it doesn't misbehave, so looking forward to making it, actually making it in the candles and making another batch of soap with this. I'm a little tired when I was making this soap, so I was just kind of going through the motions just to make sure that the fragrance did behave. I ended up using the pine mica from BeScented and the new pennies mica. So I was just thinking cinnamon balsam. I'm like, it's brown, it's green, and then I wasn't sure if there was vanillin in it, so I went ahead and left some of the batter unfragranced, so we can see if there's any discoloration, but I don't believe there is. So I'm going to go ahead, get the colors mixed in. I'm going to do my traditional kind of chopstick swirl, and I will bring you guys back for the cut. Enjoy watching. All right, and I was having just a little bit trouble with this one because the batter that I left uncolored, natural, I didn't stick blend it enough, so it was a little bit runny, but I was trying to work with it. But anyway, I actually really ended up liking how the swirls came out. I thought they were very appropriate, and I think that it really does look like cinnamon balsam. So it's a great fragrance. Look for it on BeScented, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Have a great day.